And now we see the American grasshopper in its native habitat. You have to be very careful around them. Very careful indeed.
This has never been filmed before.
And may never again, if we're not all extremely quiet.
See? I was going to tell him about the mating.
All right, go ahead.
They're mating.
That's nasty, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that shit.
There goes my pee-pee.
No, they love that.
That's fine.
They love that.
They're fucking.
There goes our pee-pee.
What? Now it can be cinemax. Upon that, the grasshoppers.
All right. I'm going to try to reach in and touch one of them. Hand me the glove.
Oh, okay. That one has blades on it.
Shit, I can't put the other glove on with the glove on this.
Oh
Here.
my God! Wait. You have to get...
I am not...
That's for the grasshoppers. Come on. We did this last week with a bowl. You can do this.
I have never done this in captivity. I have only done it in a computer simulation.
Mom, shut up. The grasshoppers are mating.
All right. How do I do this without slicing up the grasshopper?
You worked on your mini milking.
I didn't think you knew about that.
I barged in here. I'm sorry.
Damn it, I will never wear headphones while milking again. All right, we have secured the vial. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The lady grasshopper seems very upset. Now, when dealing with this, there are two simple things you should do. The first thing you should do